We're at a stop sign. We just saw a fucking clown.
I swear to God, bro.
We just saw a fucking clown on the street.
You see that? You see that?
What the hell? There's a fuck.
Bro, what is that?
Bro, there's a fucking clown in the street.
Oh shit, bro. Go to reverse, bro. Get out.
No, bro. Hey, what the fuck is he on, bro? Hey!
Get out of here.
Hey! What the fuck do you think you're doing?
Quit playing, bro.
Hey! Go! Oh fuck!
What the fuck? Oh no! Oh my God!
Bruh. Oh shit, what the fuck? Bruh, I'm out, bruh.
What's really happening? Shut the stupid radio off. Justin, no, get back in the car.
What's going on? What are you doing?
Oh my God. He's running. Get in the car.
Hang up the... Call 911.
Oh my
Stop
God.
recording. Call...
Alright, so I got a message from this nigga that I don't fucking know on fucking Instagram saying he was gonna meet me here at Bill's, but I don't see shit. Oh shit! Oh shit! Fuck! The fuck? Look at that shit right there. Look at that shit. What the fuck is that? What the fuck? Oh shit! What the fuck? What the fuck? Oh my fucking God, dude! Not even. Fuck you now. Oh shit! Oh fuck! Oh shit!
Tell me you see that guy. Oh my God.
No shit. No. Oh my God.
Oh my God. Okay, shh.
One.
Oh my God, we gotta go. Oh my God. Oh my God. It's turning around. Right.
No.
Oh God.
Oh my God.
Oh
my God. Oh no. Oh my God, it's following us. No, go.
Nah.
Bro, stop playing.
Okay, I think we should dip, dog.
That's fucking dead.
Nah, you think that was fucking around?
Get the fuck out of here. Fuck! Hey, that fool's coming. Fool! Fool! No! Hurry the fuck up, dog! Oh shit! Oh shit! Dude, what the fuck? Holy shit!
Oh, lucky. I'll do anything for money. I'm cheap, dude. Should I just go on top of here?
Yeah, jump off the top. That'd be pretty funny.
Wait. Drew, I'm tweaking, but I think I see a clown, dude. I'm not even kidding.
Shut the fuck up, bro. There's no cons. That
Dude,
shit's
I
fake.
swear to God. Dude, what the hell,
What
man?
the fuck is that, dude?
Holy shit.
Yo, what's your
problem? What's your fucking problem, bro? Oh my God! Oh my God!
Yo.
There he is, bro. There he fucking
Yo.
is.
Bro.
What the fuck?
Yo.
Yo.
No. Yo, what are you doing, bro?
Yo, are you fucking stupid?
Yo, get out of the car. Get out of the car.
Yo. You fucking dumb, bro? It's too fucking foggy. Where is this dude at? What the fuck? What the fuck?
I swear to God, it's not fucking clown. Oh, I fucking see him, dude. Shit. Alright, I'm gonna run. I'm just driving. Scare him. What you gonna do, bitch? Oh my God.
What the fuck?
Oh fuck, I gotta reverse. Holy fuck! Get the fuck out of here! Get the fuck out of my car!
Dude, honk at him.
No way.
Dude, get out of here.
Pull, back up,
go.
Oh my God. He's just going. Oh my God, dude. Should I go forward?
Go back.
No, don't go forward.
go
Are you
forward.
stupid?
I'll go back fast.
Don't.
Step on it. Step on it. Go, dude.
No, I got it. It's fine.
Go.
I got it.
Oh my God. What the?
Get out of here, dude.
You dig? Yeah, we out here though, man. Yo, come check out the shop, man.
Come on. What the fuck is that, bro?
Why you always cussing,
Bro,
nigga?
look at that shit, bro.
Yo, are you serious?
Yo, this nah.
Yo, go around this fool.
Fuck with this motherfucker.
Yo, go around this fool, bro.
Stop with the childish shit,
Yo,
bro.
go around him, bro. Like, yo, Go around him, yo.
Get the fuck away from my
For
car.
real, man. Yo, go around
Get
him.
away.
Bro, run him over, dog. Like, damn.
Yo, what are you doing?
Yo, go around.
Yo, what are you doing, bro?
Yo, I'm not getting out the car, bro.
Yo, bro, chill.
Bro, I'm not getting out the car, bro.
Chill, take me home, bro.
Bro, I can't.
Take me home, bro.
Yo, I'm not going out the car. Oh, yo. Oh, these. Yo, man. Come on, man. What y'all doing? This nigga's dumb. Yo, let's go, man. Yo, let's go.
You know what I'm saying? Bro, I know you seen that shit.
Y'all don't see
Fuck
that?
is that?
The fuck is that?
Y'all don't see that shit?
Hell no.
Bro, what the fuck?
Oh,
What?
Bon, gros, c'est quoi le truc là, gros? Je crois que c'est vraiment un clown en plus, gros.
Mais non, gros, c'est pas un clown.
Je sais pas ce qu'il fout là en tout cas, mais.
Gros, c'est quoi ça?
Je sais pas.
C'est quoi ça,
Bon, vas-y, avance-toi un peu pour voir.
Ouais, bah, gros, pas trop non plus. On
Ouais,
sait jamais.
attends, ouais, il a rien.
Mais qu'est-ce
Tu fais quoi là?
Oh, gamin, rentre chez toi.
Allez là! Dégage!
Bah, regarde, je vais écrire ça à la face là.
Allez, vas-y, voilà, dans la gueule le flash.
Tiens dans ton cul, bâtard.
Ouais. Putain,
Qu'est-ce qu'il fait?
je sais pas. Pourquoi il se baisse? Oh putain!
C'est quoi ça, gros? Ah, c'est pas une vraie, gros, quand même.
Je sais pas.
En gros, c'est pas une vraie.
Putain, il est
non,
malade!
non,
Vas-y,
non.
recule, gros! Recule! Laisse, barre-toi, gros! Barre-toi, il arrive! Oh putain!
Gros, c'est quoi ça?
Wow!
You guys be quiet.
Yo, what the fuck are you doing? What the hell's wrong with you? What the fuck?
Come on, Wesley. Wesley, where are you going? You're getting.
Oh, whoa, what the fuck,
shit.
bro?
Hey, bitch, what the fuck?
Oh!
Hey,
Shit, go!
what the fuck? Hey, chill!
crap, this cannot be real. Hold on, let me slow down. I wanna
Wait,
talk.
let's
Roll
get
down the window. I want to talk to him. This guy's on Twitter too much. Hey, buddy. I said, oh, God, he's running. Oh, he's running. He's chasing us. Oh, my God, he's fucking it. Oh, my God, this guy's crazy.
Bro, my man's fucking fooling, bro. Look, my man's fucking fooling, bro. Bruh. My man's a fucking ham. Bruh, hop off the car.
My man's is a legit clown.
What the fuck?
Bruh.
Bruh.
Oh shit! Oh shit!